Hello friends, welcome to Teeth and Tails. My name is Tilly, and today we're going to talk about something super important and exciting. Your very first visit to the dentist. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's have a look at the Georges family today. Mr. and Mrs. George and little Elsa are getting ready. It's Elsa's first dental visit. She is super excited about it. Before we head to the dentist, it's a good idea to make our teeth nice and clean. So let's give them a good scrub. It's a great idea to pack your favorite toy or a cuddly friend to give you company. Mrs. George had already briefed Elsa about the series of events that will happen at the dentist, so Elsa is super happy and confident. Hang on, friends. Have you had your first dental visit? Did you know you can have your first visit at the age of 1 year? Well, if you haven't, then it's time to make a booking. When you get to the dentist's office, you'll see lots of friendly faces. The office might have fun things to play with, like toys, books, and even games. You can explore and play while you wait. The dentist's office is a happy place where everyone is there to help you. Next, you'll meet the dentist. They're like a super friendly tooth superhero who makes sure your teeth are healthy and strong. The dentist will say hello and might even show you some cool tools they use. Don't worry, they're just to help keep your teeth shiny and bright.
Hello, Elsa. I am Dr. Sean. Welcome to Patterson Dental. I will be your dentist for today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Sean.
All right, Elsa. This is my special chair. It can go up and down. Next, I'm going to have a look inside your mouth and I will count your teeth with my special instruments. 1, 2, 3. It's like a fun little game.
The dentist might use a tiny mirror to see all your teeth and make sure they're all clean and healthy. It might tickle a little, but it doesn't hurt. The dentist may take the photo of your teeth if needed. The dentist or a friendly hygienist might clean your teeth with a special brush that goes buzz. It feels a bit funny, but it makes your teeth sparkle. Wow, look at the pearly whites.
It's all done for today. Thank you, Elsa, for being the best patient of the day, and you get a special toothbrush as your reward. Keep brushing your teeth twice daily for 2 minutes and flossing once daily before bed, will you?
I am so proud of myself, and I promise I will continue looking after my teeth. I am making 6 monthly booking for the next appointment on my way out so that you can have a look at how well I am going with brushing and flossing. I can also find out early if I do have any cavities.
Elsa, the dentist is so proud of you for taking care of your teeth.
Thanks, Mom and Dad!
And that's it for today, friends. Shall we head to the quiz time? When should you have your first dental appointment? How often should we go for dental checkup visits? Your first dental visit is a fun adventure where you meet friendly people, play with cool tools, and keep your teeth super healthy. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome adventure. Till we meet next time, stay healthy and keep smiling. See you next time.